There, Brady, sharpening a bill hook. So I've got my bill hook here in its sheath that I use to keep it hanging up in and nice and safe. So I'm going to take it out carefully. So I'm going to sharpen this in a couple of wee bits because it's rather a lot bigger than a knife. So I've got the same sharpening oil stone that I used for my knife. So I'm going to start on the straight edge exactly the same way I did with the knife. I'm going to lay it flat. I'm going to tip it until the blade catches the edge. So I'm just holding the handle and along the blade, not the blade, well on the blade but not the cutting edge. And I'm just going to run it along like I did before. So flat, catch the blade, along we go. So now I'm going to move it along to get a new bit of the blade. So flat to the edge. A few of these. And then I'm going to move it along one more time till we get to the curved bit. So just catch the edge. Right, and this bit's a little bit tricky when we get to the curved corner. So we're just like the blade of the knife. So I'm going to start by lifting it, sliding it along, and gradually I'm going to lift it like I did with the knife blade, just very slightly so I get the end of it. So it's a wee bit tricky. Slide it along, lift it up. Slide it along, lift it up. And then I'm going to just turn it over carefully and do exactly the same on the other side, as it's a double-sided blade. So flat side, angle it, pushing it away. As with the knife, make sure your tool's nice and clean after you've used it, so give it a good clean before you sharpen. So a bit of wire will give it a nice oil. Make sure it's nice and dry before you put it away. Again, I'm going to just move along again to get the next bit of the knife. And along again. And a last little straight bit. For the curved bit. Along and catch the edge. Slide it along, watch the angle. And that's us. I'll just clean it off with a bit of newspaper that's right here. And let's see how this is doing. Okay. Yep, that's nice and sharp. Brilliant. So now I'm just going to pop it back in its case.